Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study all the exercises, answers and textbook activities of class 5 English prose chapter 2, that is true friendship. Okay, so true friendship question answers and summary notes. Okay, fill in the blanks with words given in the box. The options are delayed, evil-minded, impressed, break his words, imprisoned, delighted. Number 1. Dionysius was an evil-minded ruler. Damon was to be imprisoned until Pythias returned. Pythias faced many danger when he was returning and was delayed. Damon was sure that his friend would never break his words. Pythias and Damon kept their promises. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. Write true or false in the brackets provided. Damon and Pythias were lovers of truth. True. Dionysius was a kind ruler. False. Damon wanted to settle his family's affair before he died. True. The king was sure that Pythias would return. False. Damon was willing to die for his friend. True. Pythias reached in time to save his friend. True. Next, comprehension. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Where did Damon and Pythias live? Answer. Damon and Pythias lived in the city of Syracuse. Next, who was the ruler of Syracuse? Answer. Dionysius was the ruler of Syracuse. Next question. Why did the king want to punish Pythias? Answer. Pythias called the king cruel and said some things against him, so he was to be punished. Next, what did Pythias wish to do before he died? Answer. Before he died, Pythias wished to arrange his sister's marriage and bid his mother goodbye. Next question. What was the condition put by the king? Answer. King will fix the day and the hour of Pythias' return. If he did not return in time, his friend Damon will have to die instead of him. Next question. Why was Pythias delayed while returning? Answer. He had to face many dangers, so he was delayed. Next question. What did both the friends argue over? Answer. Pythias, I have come, please do not kill Damon. I have come back to take the punishment, please hang me. Damon said, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. Both of them argued for some time. Next question. Why did the king set both of them free? King had never seen such friendship. Answer. Pythias and Damon kept their promises. King was happy to know that such friendship exists, so he set both free. Next question. What did the king think Pythias would do? Answer. The king thought that Pythias would escape and would not return. Next question. Discuss these questions in your group and answer them in 4 to 6 sentences. Question number 1. How do we know that Damon and Pythias were very good friends? Give some examples from the story. Answer. Pythias was punished before dying. He wanted to fulfill some work. At this time, Damon offered to be in prison. At the last moment, he was happy to die for Pythias. This showed that they were very good friends. Next question. What made the king change his decision in the end? Answer. Seeing in believing. When the king saw their loyalty to each other, he was impressed and changed his mind. Next, language exercises. Discuss in pair and fill in the blanks with the things that you find in your house. One is done for you. For example, in drawing room, what are the things will be there? In kitchen, what are the things will be there? In bathroom, what are the things will be there? And in bedroom, what are the things will be there? In kitchen, sofa table clock. In drawing room, sofa table clock. In kitchen, stove plate cooker. In bathroom, brush toothpaste soap. Bedroom, cot pillow bed. Okay, now write about yourself. You have to write your name, your father name, your mother name, your date of birth, your place of birth, your school name. Okay, so this is all about your lesson number 2, true friendship of class 5 English. If you want the more lessons, you can see the playlist of my channel, and if you want the further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.